Here we go. We have a question, single number. So you have given an array of positive integers where each element appears even number of times except for one element. And we need to find that number occurring odd number of times. In this test case, the answer is 2, and in this test case, the answer is 1. So let's try to understand how we can solve this question. So we are going to use XOR operation. If you know, if we do, let's say, if we do x with x is a value, and if I do the XOR with the same number, I got 0, because XOR will unset the same number of bits. So if there are even number of if there are even frequency, so this will cancel out this number and this will cancel out this number. But if there odd frequency, so this will cancel out this number and only this number is left. So we are left with x itself. So it is pretty clear that every number appear even number of times, so it will cancel out each other except for one element. So if we do the XOR, we get that one number which appear odd number of times. So let's try to do the XOR. We have XOR, its initial value is 0, so we have for each loop. Let's do the XOR with the current element, and let's try to return the XOR. So let's give it a try. Let's submit this, and the time complexity for this solution is order of n, and space complexity is constant. Thank you all for watching.